If you are looking for the perfect robot vacuum for your home, this video will save you both time and money. Today, I'm showing you the 5 best robot vacuums in 2026, from premium models to budget-friendly options, so you can find the one that fits your needs and budget. I've also included all the product tags to make buying easier. Subscribe and help us reach 1 million subscribers for more tech videos. All right, let's get started. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo Curv is a smart robot vacuum and mop built to keep floors clean with less brushing, less fuss, and far more reach. It uses the Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Arc side brush to fight hair wrap, so homes with pets or long hair stay easier to manage and brush cleanup stays out of the way. The AdaptiLift chassis helps it move smoothly across different floor types and thresholds up to 4 centimeters, while the 18,500 PA Hyperforce suction pulls in fine dust, pet hair, and the dirt hiding deep in carpet fibers and floor gaps. FlexiArm technology extends the side brush for walls, corners, and edges, and the edge mopping system helps cover those tricky spots that usually get missed. The hands-free multifunctional Dock 3.0 raises the bar with 167-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, hot water self-cleaning, warm air drying, intelligent dirt detection, auto dust emptying for up to 7 weeks, auto tank refilling, and a detachable base for easier handling. Navigation feels sharp, too, with reactive AI, RGB cameras, structured light, and PreciSense LiDAR working together to spot and avoid 62 objects while mapping rooms in real time. Voice control adds another easy path, since Hello Rocky can start cleaning without a phone or Wi-Fi, and the pet-friendly tools even support real-time video calls, two-way voice, automatic pet recognition, and pet snaps, all while keeping noise down to 55 decibels. The app rounds things out with smart plan cleaning, custom schedules, dock controls, spill cleanup, and no-go zones, though setup needs a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. A calm cleaner with sharp instincts. Number 4. The Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is a high-powered robot vacuum and mop built to tackle everything from everyday dust to pet messes with very little hands-on work. Its HydroForce mopping system continuously sprays clean water while collecting dirty water at the same time, helping prevent the mop from spreading grime around the floor, while smart fluffing keeps the roller mop in its best condition for consistent cleaning. A Turbo Force 8 high-speed motor delivers an impressive 28,000 PA of suction, and the tangle-free Turbo Wave Duo brush easily handles hair, dust, and up to 99% of large debris. Around the home, obstacle detection works alongside retractable robot legs and the Lift Pro chassis to climb over door rails, thresholds, and obstacles up to 8 centimeters high. For edges and corners, MaxiReach extends both the side brush and roller mop beyond the robot's body, while running water helps deliver deeper wall-to-wall cleaning. The self-care base station handles auto-emptying, 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, dual solution refilling, and hot air drying for both the roller mop and dust bag. Pet owners also get 2 dedicated cleaning solution compartments, one for stubborn stains and another for pet odors, while the intelligent cleaning algorithm automatically focuses extra attention on pet activity zones. A smarter way to keep every floor looking fresh. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo is an all-in-one cleaning robot that keeps busy homes looking fresh with minimal effort. It uses advanced dual-clean mop pads with perfect edge to extend floor mopping coverage by 18%, while Smart Scrub adds 2x deeper scrubbing to tackle stubborn coffee stains, grime, crumbs, and paw prints. Strong suction works alongside a multi-surface rubber brush and edge-sweeping brush to pick up dirt across different floor types. Clearview Pro LiDAR maps the home with care, day or night, and built-in sensors help prevent falls on stairs. Precision Vision AI quickly spots cords, socks, pet waste, and other obstacles, then moves around them while detecting wet and dry messes for extra cleaning passes where needed. The Auto Wash Dock takes care of 75 days of auto emptying, up to 4 weeks of mopping and pad washing, continuous pad refreshing, and heated pad drying, keeping everything ready with very little attention. You can choose to vacuum, mop, run both together, or vacuum first and mop afterward, while the mop pads automatically lift over carpets for smooth multi-surface cleaning. The Roomba Home app lets you clean specific rooms, adjust suction levels, repeat passes in busy areas, and use Smart Scrub for tougher spots. It even learns which rooms get dirty fastest and adjusts cleaning automatically. Voice control with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant makes starting a clean even easier. And the modern-looking robot and dock blend neatly into almost any home. A cleaner that fits right into everyday life. Number 2. Eureka E10s is a bagless robot vacuum and mop made to keep cleaning simple, steady, and less expensive over time. Its self-emptying station can hold dust and debris for up to 45 days, and the bagless design skips extra dust bags, saving up to $70 a year. A multi-cyclonic system works with the HEPA filter to trap fine dirt more cleanly and help the filter last longer, which makes the whole setup feel fresher for everyday use. With 4,000 PA suction, it cleans hard floors and carpets deeply, handling dust and tangled cat or dog hair without needing extra passes. Precision LiDAR navigation maps the home carefully, builds smart cleaning routes, avoids repeated spots and missed spots, and helps the robot dodge obstacles, while PSD technology improves cleaning along corners and furniture edges. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop setup also detects carpet, lifts the mop on carpet, raises it while returning to base to prevent dripping, and uses dual brush heads for wider, stronger debris pickup. A smart choice for everyday cleaning. Number 1. Eufy X10 Pro Omni is an exciting new robot vacuum and mop that makes floor cleaning feel much simpler. Its all-in-one Omni station empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank, so it is always ready for the next run. With 8,000 PA suction, it handles pet hair and carpet dirt with real strength. The M-Master 2.0 system uses dual mop pads spinning at 180 RPM with 1 kilogram of downward pressure to lift stubborn stains fast. AIC obstacle avoidance can spot and avoid more than 100 objects, so it stays out of trouble around the house. It also switches cleaning modes on its own for different rooms, which makes daily cleaning feel smart and easy.